Once we started to create our new indicator framework, design along with functionality were front and foremost in our minds. First up are beautifully rendered Bollinger Bands. Let's add the first standard deviation band too. And you can make the chart bigger by dragging here and here. Now we'll add our first non-price aligned indicator, the MACD. You can size and position it as you like. And as I drag the chart around, you can see how responsive it is. We have an exponential moving average, and of course it's possible to add the same indicator but with different parameters multiple times. Simple and volume weighted moving averages are also available, and another cool indicator is the RSS feed. Choose your news sources and hover the time aligned stories in the chart. Clicking on the icon will take you to the story in the browser. There are also relative time and time zones indicators and a VWAP price one. After setting up your configuration, you can save it so that it loads every time. Finally, using leonArdo tools, you can view and interact with multiple charts overlaid with your favorite indicators in a single window.